When we first learned to do total surface area of composite objects, the best way to think of it is to separate them. Can we separate this composite object into two individual objects? And you can see we've done that by doing step number one, which is, can we draw a line somewhere to separate it into different three-dimensional prisms that we've already used. We've already done rectangular prism surface area. We've already done rectangular prism surface area. So we're going to draw a line here. We're going to separate that into two, and then we'll figure out area of overlap on the next video, the parts that we don't have to count because we can't touch them. You can see where this one, if we label these 1 and 2, we can no longer touch the left-hand side of number 2, and we can no longer touch the right-hand side of number 1 right here where it overlaps. And we'll figure that out later. The next video on area of overlap will explain that a little bit better. But for now, we're learning to just separate this into two different objects that we are very familiar with. And then we can just do the dimensions of it. So you can see the dimensions of this is, it's 8 across here. It is a height of 9 plus 7 more is 16. And then the depth of it is 4 centimeters right here. So these are 8 by 4 by 16 centimeters for object number 1. We would be able to figure out the total surface area of that because we've done surface area of rectangular prisms before. For object number 2, the whole thing is 15, but this part is 8. So that means this part has to be 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So it's 7 centimeters across the base. The height right here is given to us at 9 centimeters. And the depth is given to us right here at 4 centimeters. Now we would be able to do the total surface area of this object, the total surface area of this object, take away the parts we can no longer touch, the left-hand side of number 2, the right-hand side right here, we can't touch this spot right here that is 9 centimeters tall by 4 centimeters wide because of area of overlap, and that's in the next video, area of overlap. So this is how you separate a composite object, something difficult, into something you've already done.